Welcome to the channel. I'm Pete from It's a Cruise Life, and today we're going to take a stroll and discover some D-Day World War II history right here in Southend. We're heading out to see the Mulberry Harbour, and this is a genuine wartime relic that's been sat off the coast in the Thames estuary since 1944. So we'll wait for the low tide and I'll tell you a bit more about this harbour on the way out there. Totally recommend booking this trip with the Thames Estuary Man Guided Walking Tours, and you can find him on Facebook. Now, these Mulberry Harbours were designed and built in the UK, and they were to be towed to France in Normandy for the D-Day landings. These prefabricated harbours, once built, were designed to move equipment from ship to shore. One of these harbours was constructed in Arromanches, which was a British harbour. In the 10 months that preceded D-Day, this harbour landed 2.5 million men, 500,000 vehicles and 4 million tonnes of goods. So this particular part of the harbour is called a Phoenix caisson, and these particular units were designed to be sunk in order to create a protective breakwater for the inner parts of the harbour. And there's a couple of stories as to why this is here in Southend. One of those stories is that it was towed here, it sprung a leak and it was left on the sandbank. The other story is it was towed here prior to D-Day, it got caught up in a storm, ended up on this sandbank and broke in two. And on the basis that these things were designed to be sunk to act as a breakwater, I'm going to go with the second story. So I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. We're going to have a stroll back, we're going to walk around the sandbank, we're going to head down the eastern side of the sandbank, we'll see some kite surfers on the way, and we're going to head back to the shoreline. It's advised that we head back shortly after low tide, as the tide turns. We don't want to be stuck out on this sandbank. It does happen, it has happened, and can be pretty dangerous. So we're going to head back. It's just over a mile back, so in these conditions it's probably going to take 20 minutes, half an hour to get back. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. The Mulberry Harbour. We're actually going out to Normandy for the D-Day celebrations, and obviously we'll see more of the Mulberry Harbours out there in Arromanches, and hopefully we'll get a decent vlog together and a little bit more history. So I hope you enjoyed that, and certainly tune in for the vlog of D-Day. And out in the estuary there lies the SS Richard Montgomery, a World War II American cargo ship that sank here in 1944. And on that ship lies 1,400 tonnes of explosives, making it one of the world's most dangerous shipwrecks. So on a breezy day, you'll catch your kite surfers out here just off that eastern sandbank, and on a non-breezy day in the summer, you'll find your paddle boarders and your jet skiers. We hope you enjoyed this mini vlog, and if you've never ventured out here, contact the Thames Estuary Man Guided Walking Tours and do it safely. So I'll leave you there for now. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.